Nais mo bang kumita ng extra pera online? Nasa tamang channel po kayo dahil sa channel na ito, marami tayong uploads about mapagkakakitaan online like free PayPal Cash, Coins.ph, GCash, and other cryptocurrency. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-hit ang like button and the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga uploads ko dito. And meron po pala tayong pinamimigay ditong libreng 50 peso GCash or load sa bawat video uploads natin dito. And meron po tayong Telegram channel para lagi kayong updated and meron po tayong Telegram group chat kung nais niyo pong mag-share ng inyong mga links. Wala po tayong restriction doon. In addition to that, meron din po tayong pinamimigay ditong special giveaway like milestone giveaway. Kaya po tulungan niyo po akong ma-reach ang 60,000 subscribers at mamimigay po tayo ng additional na giveaway sa inyo na GCash, Coins.ph or load. Kaya po huwag kalimutang i-follow at mag-subscribe sa aking mga social media accounts. Maraming salamat po! Hello mga ka-sharing! So for this video po, pag-uusapan po natin itong isang event or para po siyang convention. So this is the only red carpet event kung saan makikita natin dito or magko-combine po yung cryptocurrency and forex industry. So ayan, bakit po finance at the sea? Ayan, finance at the sea. Dahil you will be, ayan po, meeting them or ang convention po ay may held po sa isa po siyang parang cruise po. Ayan. So, makikita nyo that is from Mumbai to Dubai. And makikita natin dito, 41 days na lang po, 18 hours, 34 minutes and 45 seconds ang natitirang araw bago po mag-start po ang event na to. Kaya wag po tayong magpahuli. So this experience po, you can connect, experience, and prosper at the sea. So why to attend the summit? So ito po, no, it is the ultimate numbers po nila is 500 to 1,000 plus na crypto and forex startups. Tapos meron po sila dito mga crowdsourcing. Tapos dito may mga networking. Of course, if mag-attend po tayo ng mga iba't ibang conventions or summit like this one, we can expand our connection. So sabi nga dito, connection forge valuable relationships and partnerships with global crypto and forex enthusiasts, experts and investors, expanding your network like never before. Tapos dito, you can experience or you can immerse yourself in the future of finance on one of the largest luxury cruises, creating unforgettable memories and insights. Of course, there are also entertainments within that conventions. Ayan. Enjoy world-class entertainment and luxury amenities while exploring the forefront of cryptocurrency and forex at Sea Summit. So you can also get our tickets. Later po, ipapakita ko po yan sa inyo. So what you can expect on board. So Sea Summit, it serves as a meeting point for the cryptocurrency and forex industry. So nagko-combine po sila dito na makikita natin yung mga people that are interested in cryptocurrency, tapos the people that are interested in forex. So set against the backdrop of lavish cruise experience. So dito, while you are connecting with other people na nasa same na the world in cryptocurrency and forex, you're also enjoying yourselves. So it's not just an event, it's a voyage into a forefront of financial innovation. So dito you can again expand your network. Dito may Web3, forex marketing. Meron din po silang hiring. If you want to check po, you can just click po this. Ayan yung mga arrows na nandyan. For example, dito you can learn with the popular leaders. You have mag-share po sila ng mga VCs, ganyan. So dito, for example, sa hiring, so check lang natin, i-click nilang natin. Ayan siya. So makikita natin dito. Tapos, ito yung kanilang mga sponsors. Tapos the journey of the map of the journey, ayan, makikita natin December 15, they will leave from Mumbai. Tapos December 17 din po daw, they will arrive in Dubai. And they will leave Dubai December 20 and again arrive in Mumbai on December 24. So yun po yung magiging voyage or map po, okay? Tapos if you're influencer, if you promote the event daw, makaka-receive po kayo ng 1 ticket. Get a free ticket for you and your +1. So you can invite another one. But of course, you have to check if you're eligible. Okay? So, if you want to be a speaker, ayan, so become a sponsor or a speaker, i-click nyo rin po yan. Okay? So, dito sa, get a ticket, nasa na yun? So, if we will click book now, okay, if you will click book now or dito sa register, book now muna tayo. Ayan, ma-route po tayo dito. So, ito, book your experience now. So, join Sea Summit's Crypto Cruise. Secure your ticket now for unforgettable voyage with the cryptocurrency community. So, super early bird po nila na phase. So, ito po yon inside cabin. So, makikita din po natin yung mga amenities dito. Ayan, at of course, it's a cruise, no? So, marami tayo may experience dyan. So, may breakfast, and dinner, ayan siya. So, medyo may kamahalan po talaga yung price niya, no? Ayan, makikita natin dito, that's $2,000 or that's already 100,000 pesos. So, ayan siya. So, meron din pong cabin with ocean view. That's 2,500. Yun yung pinakamaliit. Meron din pong cabin with ocean view balcony. That's $3,000. Tapos, meron po, that's the, yung pinakamaliit yung mention ko dyan. Suite with ocean view balcony. Ayan siya. So, click nyo lang po yan. Ayan. So, mayroon naman po sila mga early bird na mga promos. Okay? So, of course, if we will click register now, ayan, makikita din po natin dito. So, actually, same page lang po siya. Ayan siya. So, pag i-click nyo yung book now, for example, so meron dito, you will link your crypto wallet. Meron pong QR code na TRC20. So, ang PayPal nila na USD is still coming. So, crypto wallet po yung need nila. So, pagka-click nyo po sa crypto wallet, ayan siya ay malilink po yan sa wallet nyo at that's the time na magbabayad po kayo. Ayan. Tapos dito naman po sa 3 lines sa taas, so makikita natin yan dyan, home, about us, sponsors, ticket, and you can also contact them. So you can click po dito if nais nyo pong mag-read pa about the Sea Summit. So, I think hanggang dito lang po ang ating video. Ilalagay ko na lang po yung link sa video description box kung nais niyo pong magbasa kung ano po itong si Sea Summit. So, I think hanggang dito lang po ang ating video. Maraming salamat po sa panonood and God bless po sa inyong lahat.